$13,000 for a brand new electric SUV with 250 miles of range. No, I'm not kidding, and yes, this thing actually exists. The 2026 BYD Yuan Up just launched, and it's the compact electric crossover that's making every other automaker sweat. We're talking a full electric SUV with 249 miles of real-world range, fast charging in 30 minutes, a rotating 12.8-inch touchscreen, and pricing that starts at just $12,900 in export markets. This is BYD's direct attack on affordable EVs, and honestly, it makes the Chevy Bolt EUV look overpriced, and the Hyundai Kona Electric look like highway robbery. So here's what's happening. BYD just dropped the Yuan Up, also sold globally as the Atto 2, and it's their first A0 class compact electric SUV built on the advanced E-Platform 3.0. It launched in China back in March 2024, and now it's rolling out to South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and Australia. The US? That's the painful part we'll get to, but spoiler alert, you're not getting this anytime soon. What BYD is proving here is that you don't need to spend 35 grand to get a practical, tech-loaded electric crossover. You just need a Chinese automaker willing to undercut everyone. Let's talk design, because this thing actually looks good. The Yuan Up rocks BYD's dragon face design language with a sealed front fascia, sharp LED headlights featuring L-shaped daytime running lights, and a floating roof that gives it a sporty, modern vibe. It's 169 inches long, which makes it smaller than a Chevy Trax, but bigger than a Kia Soul. The proportions are clean and youthful without trying too hard. You get flush door handles, a full-width LED light bar in the rear, and bold geometric chrome accents on the lower bumpers. It rides on 16-inch wheels wrapped in 215/65 tires, which prioritize comfort and efficiency over sportiness. Around back, the taillight design is unique and highly recognizable. For a budget EV, this thing looks way more expensive than it is, and honestly, it fits right in with urban traffic without screaming cheap electric car. Step inside, and this is where the Yuan Up punches way above its weight class. You get a D-shaped steering wheel with the Yuan logo, an 8.8-inch digital instrument cluster, and a massive 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen that flips between portrait and landscape modes, just like on BYD's pricier models. The infotainment system is available in English, supports smartphone mirroring, and includes navigation, apps, and vehicle settings. The seats are wrapped in perforated leatherette, not cheap cloth, and you get a wireless charging pad, a crystal-style gear selector, and physical buttons in the center console for quick controls. The cabin seats 5 with decent legroom for adults, and cargo space is 9.4 cubic feet with the rear seats up. It's not huge, but for a compact crossover focused on city driving, it's perfectly usable. You also get tri-zone climate control, multiple USB ports, and ambient lighting. Honestly, for a car that costs less than 13 grand, the interior feels shockingly well built and modern. Here's where things get wild. The Yuan Up comes in 3 trims with 2 battery options. The base 301-liter trim uses a 32 kilowatt-hour BYD Blade battery and a 70 kilowatt motor making 94 horsepower, with a range of 187 miles CLTC. The middle 401-liter and top 401 Superior trims both use a 45.1 kilowatt-hour battery with either a 70 kilowatt or 130 kilowatt motor. The 130 kilowatt version pumps out 174 horsepower and delivers up to 249 miles of CLTC range, which translates to around 210 to 220 miles EPA equivalent. That's competitive with the Chevy Bolt EUV and Nissan Leaf. The electric motor delivers instant torque, making city acceleration smooth and peppy. It's not fast, but it's quick enough for merging and overtaking in traffic. The Yuan Up supports fast charging from 30 to 80% in just 30 minutes, and a full charge on a home wall box takes around 8 to 10 hours. The platform is BYD's E-Platform 3.0, which integrates the battery, motor, and electronics for better efficiency, lighter weight, and more interior space. The ride is tuned for comfort, with a soft suspension that soaks up bumps and keeps the cabin quiet. It's not sporty or engaging to drive, but for daily commuting and city traffic, it's easy, stress-free, and confidence-inspiring. Safety tech is where BYD delivers solid value. The Yuan Up comes standard with multiple airbags, ABS with electronic stability control, rear parking sensors, and a reverse camera. Higher trims add advanced driver assistance features, though the exact suite varies by market. You get a decent build quality with BYD's proven battery safety, and the company's reputation for reliability in electric drivetrains is strong. It's not going to win crash test awards in the US since it's not sold here, but in markets where it is available, it meets meets local safety standards. Now let's talk pricing and availability, and this is where things get frustrating for US buyers. In China, the Yuan Up starts at around $13,300 for the base 301-liter trim, $15,100 for the 401-liter, and $16,500 for the 401 Superior. Export pricing varies by market, but it's generally in the $12,900 to $18,000 range depending on battery size and trim. In Brazil, Mexico, and Colombia, it's sold as the Yuan Pro. In Europe, Southeast Asia, and Australia, it's the Atto 2, with pricing around 20,000 to 25,000 euros or equivalent after local taxes and import duties. For context, a Chevy Bolt EUV starts around $33,500 in the US. A Hyundai Kona Electric is $37,390. A Kia Soul EV is $33,950. The Yuan Up undercuts all of them by at least 15 to 20 grand, and in some cases by more than half. The US? There's zero chance this thing is coming here anytime soon. Between tariffs that would add 27% to the cost, regulatory hurdles, safety certifications, and the current political climate around Chinese EVs, American buyers are completely locked out. Even if BYD wanted to sell it here, the final price after tariffs would probably be 25 to 30 grand, which kills the entire value proposition. So who's this SUV for? If you're in South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, or Australia, and you want an affordable, practical, city-focused electric crossover with decent range, modern tech, and low running costs, the Yuan Up is a no-brainer. It's perfect for first-time EV buyers, young drivers, or anyone who wants to go electric without spending 40 grand. Who should skip it? If you need maximum cargo space, long highway range over 300 miles, or proven resale value in mature markets, you're better off with established brands. And if you're in the US, well, you don't have a choice anyway. But here's my question for you. If BYD somehow brought the Yuan Up to the US at 20 grand with 220 miles of range and all this tech, would you actually buy it over a used Bolt or Leaf? Or does the fact that it's a Chinese brand with no dealer network keep you away? Drop your thoughts below.